Hello, hi. Welcome back to TradeYourEdge.com YouTube video. My name is Alwin, and this is our weekly commentary on the price action of the currency market. So, if this is your first time here, make sure to like my channel, subscribe to the channel, and click on notification. We also have this is usually part one of the weekly. Part two is on some of our currency crosses. We also have some price action explanation, which I've done many years ago and I'm sharing it, and also some videos on trading psychology. So make sure to like it, and let's rock on this week's price action. So in front of me, I have the euro dollar. Euro dollar is ranging. And it's very nice because today is the first day of May, as I record this, the first weekend of May. What is happening is price has broken out of a long-term channel, and price in theory should be running. Now, what do I mean by running? If I were to look at price action in this channel, for example, and granted this is not a very strong channel, but nonetheless it is a channel. When price broke out of the channel, it just ran. It just went all the way down, right? And that is something that I was expecting when price broke out of this. Having said that, I didn't get that, so I'm not too sure what's happening. Moving down to the weekly chart, one thing that's comforting is that if I were to look at the fib level, price first retested the 38%. However, price may come back to 50 or the 62%. No one knows. In the long term, the 38% is one of the best because all it's saying is price made a short pullback and it's running. Then that literally just means the buyers are dominating the market. At this point, as I speak, price has tested the 38%. It came back up. I did mention about the 1.2 level as my target, and then 1.215, which it hit over the weekend. Sorry, over the week. What's going to happen? I have no idea. It is very interesting. On top of that, if I were to pull the fib again, actually, this tested the 62%. So, gut feeling is that it is a short downward. So, I potentially have A, B, C, and D somewhere here. And it will hopefully give me a long continuation run, and my next target for that will be 1.255 if it does. If not, then we'll see. Okay, so that's on the euro dollar. Moving on to pound dollar. Weekly chart, sorry, monthly chart. Bit of a congestion there, but don't see much happening again. The momentum bullish run just stopped after a while. It didn't give me the classic three continuation bars, so I'm just a bit careful right now. Looking at it, I won't be surprised if price gives me a range within this area. It is giving me a range already. Very interestingly, very interestingly. Moving to the daily chart, yeah, this is what's happening. Price is not going upwards. It looks like it's a sideways market for a while, so do take note, and we'll see. I'm not surprised if the price does break out of this and gives me a short. Not at all surprised. So if I were to short this, then I would be looking at first target with 1.35, which I've highlighted a few times. I foresee some resistance. If it comes out to 38%, then that would be great too. Nonetheless, we'll see what price gives me. Aussie dollar, okay, price just came out of the compression, which I will remove now. Nonetheless, it is still in the nice little channel. Will it go higher to hit my 0.81, not sure. Looking at price action, looking at dollar and price action, I think price would be going south a little bit on this. So my first target would be 0.756. Would it give me a most likely not a double bottom? However, if it does fall below that, then not sure if you can see, but this would be a very nice head and shoulder pattern. So this would be a left shoulder and the right shoulder, and this is the head. The right shoulder has a lower low already. Oh, this definitely looks like a reversal pattern. So my target, of course, 0.756 first, but next from there will be 0.736, and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, so that's my view on Aussie yen. The next one is sorry, I meant Aussie dollar. My next one is yen. Yen is now very nicely retested the channel. So again, big picture. It's consolidating and it's broken out. This is the first. So this is the three bull bars that I always look for. It has to be three consecutive bull bar, and that will be a strong indication that price is gonna go for a bit more. Price broke out nicely, retested the trend line at the 108 level, and price is just bounced up, so it is ready to run again. Moving from there, we've got CAD. I've mentioned short on this for a long time, and the target is 1.21, and it is approaching very soon. What I like is this channel is really solid, so for those of you who are taking this short, then well done you. Target 1.21, and let's see what happens from there, because we've got a very nice double top here. If it does go below 1.21, then I think this will be a long run. Yeah. Well, last but not least, we've got gold. Gold is daily chart. This is a monthly chart. It retested the 2000 mark, consolidating, pullback, whatever you call it. It is just resting. Coming back to the weekly chart, very nicely, price gave me a double bottom 2-3 weeks ago, and my bias is now to go long. Unfortunately, last 2 weeks, price didn't take off, so I'm just waiting to see if this will take off in the coming week. Very nice. What is very nice is that price came back to retest the 1760 level, and if you were to actually break it down very nicely, it is approximately where this top was bounced off here. If you can see, it's very nice. I love price action because all this self-fulfilling prophecy completely makes sense. Right, so from here, looking for a nice long towards the trend line before it breaks out of it, and hopefully the next major target will be the 2000 mark, and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, with that, I wish you all the best in trading, and I look forward to hearing from you very soon.